Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a fair bit of work on this cork bark Chinese elm. So I was just in the garden and I've finished the watering up for today, and I came across this Chinese elm and it's been irritating me the last couple of days to get some work done. So I thought, let's crack on with it, let's get this sorted and share it with you all. Now, there is a number of ways that we can do pruning this. We can do a bit of conical shape or branch selection. I feel like we're just going to hit it as it comes, so maybe a bit of both, but let's find out. So as you can see, this branch here I've always wanted to bring down ever since the first moment it came into the collection. I did want to keep this one to grow another branch, but I've just decided to take it off. Now, if you haven't seen it, this is the tree that I repotted during autumn last year. I will post a little video up in the top right. But yeah, if you want to go see the repot of this tree, feel free to go and give that one a watch. So now we've slowed down again. I just thought I'd add that it's not just about the exterior, it's also about the interior of the tree and opening up some spaces. And what this will do is allow some sunlight to get into the middle, and it will just make the tree have a more of a natural flow to it. But there is a lot that we can do with this tree. There's some I want to keep here. I'm not entirely sure if I want to remove some, but it's all going to be beneficial to the tree as well as aesthetically. But it's definitely a tree in development. So here I have decided there's more than one branch I want to bring down with wiring. I feel like it's going to give a better shape to the tree if I do this, but there's also some growth that's going up that we do not need, so we're going to get rid of that too. And there's also one around the front here that I may wish to bring down if possible. So let's go get it in the studio and see what we can do with it. So here we are back in the new studio. Still a lot of work to be done here, but I look forward to updating to you all. Now you're probably wondering why I'm using concave cutters. These are actually not for the tree. I've misplaced my wire cutters, and these are a bit naff as concave cutters, but they're actually really good at cutting wire. So yeah, in case you're wondering. Really gives you a sense of scale to this little tree, and I'm right here next to it. But the idea now is to bring this one down and this one down, and I think I want to bring this top one down a little bit as well. Let's crack on. I think, see now this wire is perfect size for this one. I was a little bit too big for that one. We're going to do it anyway. And if you're wondering, this is the studio, what it's looking like at the moment. It's still in the process of being built, but I do have a nice lengthy juicy video for you all to be watching soon. I just thought so I wanted to do some work on this little Chinese elm today, and as there's a series on it on the channel already, I thought I would share it with you all. The big juicy video is going to be, there's a wasp in here, I'm allergic to wasps, just so you know. I'm not sure about this white screen. I may change it. I'm thinking of putting some boards up and painting them a lovely studio white to give it a cleaner finish. It has had a steam, you'll see me doing that in the next video. It has had a steam, and it's still not perfect. I've even burnt it a little bit with a steamer. It's the first time steaming something. Turned 36 next month, and it's the first time I had to steam something to get it nice and straight. Oh, this is so fiddly. Thick wire, thin branch. And I watered it before this video, which I probably shouldn't have done. You know, it's just I was watering it, and then I looked at it, I was like, that needs a little bit of work. But that should do. That should do it like that. See how I brought them down a little bit. So what we're going to do here is just snip that off in there. Now that I brought them down, I don't actually feel like this one needs to come down. I may keep it that way. Just give it a little push. Yeah, we're doing it. Right, this one's going to be even more fiddly. I don't know which one to anchor on. So it's this one here. I can just work you through. My God, that is an awkward angle to work you through. I may even put a guy wire on it. Oh, there's a branch that I chopped off earlier. Had nothing on it. The thing is, the idea is to create open spaces within the tree. Some of the old boys would say, so you can image birds flying through the gaps. Must be some really tiny birds. The question is, where we're going to guide wire it to. Can't guide wire it to this. Is there anything down here? And that's on the opposite side. So really, for what I do, I'd have to put in a screw there, and that's really soft wood actually. Maybe being overwatered a little bit. Who knows? Anyway, but yeah, if I was to bring it down, see how that gives it more of a dome shape at the top. That's what we're looking for. Not too round, more of a top of an egg, but a wide egg. You can't even see that with my hand in there, can you? There we go. What if I do I want to bring it? I can't anchor there. See, now I'm thinking of bringing more down, which is good actually because it gives me a stronger anchor point. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this one down and this one down, this one here, so it's more like that, and then this one needs to come down a bit as well. So it's looking like that. go. So, which one was it? Is it this one? So it's just course of action now, isn't it? So, if I drive that through, I'm going to start on the bottom. This is why you'll never really usually see me wire something while it's in leaf. And 9 times out of 10 I use a guy wire if I can get away with it, if a tree's in leaf. But so I like being able to see what I can do without it being in leaf. Like, you see, I'm so clumsy. I've got problems with my hands. Right, time for this one. I'll bring you round. Over and in. Get you in there. See, I'm killing leaves now. That's okay. It's okay. Tree will be fine. It's a Chinese elm. They'll bounce back in no time. Feel any space. Oh, we've got a split. There you go. It's looking a little bit better. We did have a split, but it will live. We just put some cut paste on it to help speed recovery. That's even a thing. And you need to be pushed back just a little bit. You forward a little bit. You back in there. Let's have a look now, shall we? But yeah, it was funny how I was talking about guy wires, and then the branch I was talking about maybe I should guy wire it, and splits. Sod's law. Absolutely sod's law. I think that's looking loads better. Get some cut paste on it. So we've got this cut paste. This one's been lasting me years. Let's see what I can do with my fat fingers. I haven't got any brushes, fine brushes on me at the moment. Maybe I should put it on my little finger. There we go. Ooh, this is... Where are you? Can I get in there? There you go, not perfect, but it's that on. And yeah, there's just a little trim left. Nothing major. We've got some opening spaces, which is perfect. Take you out. Actually, you're not even an elm leaf. Come here. What are you from? Ah, it's from the magnolia. Massive magnolia. Take some dead off. Yeah. I say it's a beautiful looking little tree. Like it was beautiful anyway. Now, I feel if pull you down. Am I right about doing that? No, put you back. There we go. And that's affecting the flow. Yeah, perfect. And there we go. And there we go. Beautiful little tree. And it's got a nice dome shape. I'm sure in a week or two that I need another cutback. And maybe in 4 weeks the wire can come off. Who knows? Let's go put it back in the garden. So here we are back in the garden. There's a beautiful little cork bark Chinese elm. Go put it back in its place. Oh, let's not forget the feed basket. Oh, finger. There we go.